Today I'm going to show you how to add your Centtrip card to your Apple or Google Pay wallet. To begin, sign into the Centtrip app. If you want to add a different card to the one shown here, press All Cards to select it. Otherwise, tap on the selected card to view more details. Swipe the top part of the screen left. Then press Show Full Card Details. Make a note of the 3-digit CVV and card expiry date. Then tap Copy Card Number. Now we can add the card to our Apple or Google Pay wallet. In this example, I'll set up the card in Apple Pay, but the process is very similar for both. Open your mobile wallet to get started. Tap the plus icon at the top of the screen. Then, debit or credit card. Continue. At the bottom of the screen, press Enter Card Details manually. Paste the card number you copied into the box. And press Next. Then enter the expiry and 3-digit CVV. Press Next to continue. To finish, review and agree to the terms, and follow the steps on screen to complete a quick verification process. And that's it. Your card is in your mobile wallet, ready to use.